guy?
I don't know.
Who is that guy?
I don't
Let me
know
say
him.
something. Sometimes I wish you guys could see what happens in the commercial breaks.
Listen. If you're just joining me, I'm happy that I'm beside so many different talents on the different days. You know what I mean? Sometimes I'm beside a singing talent. Sometimes I'm beside a dancing talent. I'm still not learn to sing. I'm still not learn to dance. But what? Show me your friends.
I'll tell you who you are.
I'll tell you who you are.
It's all right. Me and Phoenix still not funny. So I got sometimes. Hey.
Phoenix will say, you got that right.
I said, we're not still not hilarious.
Well, listen. Phoenix, where are you for? Drop something now.
What you say? Freestyle time?
Yeah,
Oh.
like when a DJ I play, I have the, what you call it, hype man.
Yeah.
You're gonna be his hype man?
I have to know which tune you're gonna play, to introduce it. I have to know which tune you're gonna play, I'm intro it.
Alright.
So, me intro one tune,
Yeah.
or you intro one tune.
No, me just give the ad-libs.
Yeah.
Me must have been ad-lib. God.
Yeah.
Ad-libs.
Alright, so I could go with the dance for that one.
We have, alright, that, yeah.
You ready?
Alright. Yeah, you dance, I mean intro.
1, 2, 3, ready?
Introducing.
Yeah.
Right, lift up the vibes.
Vibes.
Right, turn up the vibes.
Vibes.
In here. Drop it.
Watch out. Turn dancer. Turn dancer.
Oh, hey.
Hey. Yes, I did.
Listen.
What's next? Oh, calm down.
Calm down. DJ Phoenix. Sunrise.
Another banger, baby.
Where the fun rise.
Hold on, more your lyrics on this now. Go on,
whoa.
freestyle.
Freestyle.
Yeah, ready now.
Freestyle. That style your name nothing. When we say the style name again?
Nothing.
That style your name nothing.
Nothing.
When we say the style name again?
Nothing. And he gives us nothing.
Nothing. When you don't know what to say?
You say nothing.
That's it. And it's a good way to rap because you see in this time, in this season, there's so many different things happening. And if you really don't have anything good to say,
Don't say
nothing. Stop watching those people doing things and complaining. Complain is a bad word now, unless you are somewhere where you need help. All right?
Hey, listen, thank you guys so much for joining us this morning. As we told you at the top of the show, we're going to tell you again right now, we still have a lot to give thanks for.
Absolutely.
Yes?
Always.
Our hearts, our sympathies are with those who have lost.
Yes.
They've lost loved ones, they've lost belongings.
Yes.
But we have life and breath for those of us who are still here and still standing, and we are with you. We're resilient, we are fighting, we're gonna get through this. You understand?
Bagdale,
got this.
Mountain District, Aberdeen, St. Elizabeth, we're coming. Appleton Estate, we're coming.
We got
Yes, we got this. All right?
got
And as
this.
I always say, and we know it now more than ever, God without man is still God. But man without God is nothing. Nada, zilch, vapor, like this. That.
Have a great weekend.